This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Oh, hi there! Today we're going to 10 products most people don't even know IKEA sells. IKEA offers around 12,000 products and it can get pretty overwhelming when shopping there. So today I'm giving you another list of 10 IKEA hidden gems you probably didn't know existed. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon. And this is my dog Mars, and we love all things IKEA, DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps our channel so much and it helps you to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA hidden gem I have for you is the KLOCKIS Clock. Now, why is this such a gem, you might ask? Well, this little thing is not only a clock, but also an alarm clock, thermometer, and a timer all in one. And that's not it. It is so smartly made that it swaps from one function to another just by flipping it. Yup, each side of the clock performs a different function and it's super quick and easy to switch through all of them, simply by flipping it. It's so budget, yet makes your life easier, whether you're using it in the kitchen for cooking, in the living room for temperature, or in the bedroom as an alarm clock. The next IKEA hidden gem are these simple hangers that come for only $2.99 for a pack of 5. And again, another budget IKEA gem that works so good, yet so many people don't even know about it. You see, I hate using the regular plastic hangers or even the wooden hangers, since the clothes are always slipping from them, making my closet just such a mess. However, these hangers have an anti-slip surface that keeps thin and delicate clothes in place at all times. The anti-slip function on the shoulder prevents clothes from falling off the hanger, plus the swivel head makes it so easy to use. I've recently changed all of my hangers to these anti-slip ones from IKEA, and it has made such a big difference in keeping my wardrobe organized. The next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is the ÖSTAVALL coffee table. I just love multifunctional furniture, and this coffee table will add so much functionality to your space, since the tabletop can actually be lowered or raised depending on your needs. Meaning, you can transform it from a coffee table to a worktop or even a dining table in smaller spaces. The lifting mechanism has a lock that prevents the tabletop from closing unexpectedly, and a gas spring which ensures that it closes smoothly and safely. Plus, it has so much storage underneath that's perfect for cable management, electronics, or other living room knickknacks, making this coffee table such a functional piece to have in your home. The next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is this bamboo dish rack. Now I know you have all seen this dish rack at IKEA. This is not a new product. But did you know that you can use it as a bookshelf too? Yup. I mean, this dish rack is so geniusly designed that people actually found that you can mount it on the wall and add books to it, and it will literally turn into the best floating bookshelf. I just love it so much. I've done this in my living room and it works so good. I can't even stress about how amazing this one looks. And all of that for just a few dollars. I mean, how amazing is that? I already plan on doing this in my office, so stay tuned because that's a video that's coming up soon. Now, before we continue with our next IKEA gem, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the real gem when it comes to creating beautiful websites. What I've absolutely been loving about Squarespace are the portfolio templates. As someone who loves aesthetics and clean design, I'm obsessed with how beautiful they showcase your work. Each template is so thoughtfully designed, and you can customize everything to match your style perfectly. And what makes it even better is that Squarespace automatically optimizes your images for every device. No matter if someone's viewing your site on their phone, tablet, or computer, everything looks perfect. It's just so practical and professional. Another thing that's so amazing is their invoicing system. It's such a smart solution for anyone offering services. You can create professional-looking proposals, estimates, and contracts all in one place. Plus, the way you can turn your leads into clients is just so seamless and organized. So if you want to build a stunning website, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. Now the next IKEA hidden gem I have for you is actually a trash can, and that is the BROGRUND trash can with a touch top lid. The lid is actually so smartly designed that it opens easily just by pressing lightly on the top. However, what I love most about it is that it actually comes together with a hardware for wall mounting, which means that you can mount it on the wall or inside a cabinet, which is so amazing. I just love the idea of mounting your trash can and clearing floor space. Not to mention that the slim design allows you to fit it into narrow spaces. I love the functionality of it, and I can't wait to get one for my bathroom. Another IKEA gem is the VIDGA truck rail. Now, if you've ever struggled with a complicated curtain rail system before, such as I have been, you will appreciate this curtain rail so much. I have this exact same curtain rail in my living room, and it's so easy to assemble and to fix to the wall, plus it's so flexible, which allows you to hang curtains even in the trickiest spaces. The rail can be mounted both on the wall or on the ceiling using the fittings which are included, and it can also be cut to the desired length. What I love most about it is that you can use it as a single layer combination, or you can also pair it to create a double layer combination with two curtains, which is absolutely amazing. And all of that at such a great price point for $20. The next IKEA gem I have for you is this gorgeous air purifier. Now, I've recently been on the hunt for air purifiers, and you have no idea how plasticky and bulky they look. I just didn't really want another plastic device taking up so much precious floor space in my living room. However, the FÖRNUFTIG IKEA air purifier looks so good. I mean, it doesn't look plasticky at all. In fact, it looks like a speaker. I just absolutely love it. Not to mention the fact that you can even mount it on the wall if you like it. However, it has such a beautiful and airy design, so it will look as good on the floor as on the wall. The handle makes it super easy to move it between different rooms in your home and place it wherever you need it most. Either way, it looks so good, yet will make sure you breathe cleaner air. I mean, despite the looks, this purifier works so good. It's AHAM certified, which means that it's thoroughly tested to ensure efficiency in the disposal of harmful allergens like tobacco smoke, dust, and pollen. The next IKEA gem I have for you is this ring light with phone holder. This is honestly a must-have for anyone who wants to take the perfect selfies or just want to film videos for social media. And since content creation is my job, I've had so many ring lights before, and I can tell you this one is something special since it has so much weight to it and it's so sturdy and easy to control and navigate. I also love the fact that the light can be adjusted from warm to cold and can be dimmed to the desired intensity. It also emits a low heat since the light source is built on LED technology. You can also easily direct the light and the mobile phone to be in the perfect position since both the lamp arm and the mobile phone holder can be adjusted 360. Another IKEA hidden gem is the FJÄDRAR Inner cushion that comes at $7. This one is the fluffiest cushion insert I have ever used, period. It's so fluffy and it's so easy to chop. and it will look just so good on your sofa. This one is actually filled with duck feathers. That's why it feels so premium, and honestly cushion inserts can get pretty pricey, and this one is only $2 more expensive than the regular cushions that are filled with synthetic fibers. So I think it's totally worth it. This one will give you so much fluffiness and so much luxe to any cushion cover you decide to go for. And the last IKEA gem I have for you is the SPIKSMED Cabinet. Not many people know about this cabinet, yet it's such a budget one that gives you a ton of storage. It's just perfect for tiny and narrow spaces, since it has sliding doors, making it super easy to fit anywhere in your home, even in the tiniest spaces. Plus, it has such a simple and minimalistic design that will fit almost anywhere in your home, from the entryway to the bedroom, even as a console table in the living room. And that wraps it up for today. Did you know about these IKEA gems? Let me know in the comment section below, along with which one was your favorite. Also, make sure to check out my other IKEA hidden gems videos. I'll make sure to link all of them into a description box, along with the links of all of the products I've mentioned today. Also, please show us some love by subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button. Just by liking, subscribing and commenting, you're helping my channel so much, and I'm forever grateful. Plus, I have so much IKEA content coming up this next month, and you just don't want to miss it. Oh, and get ready for some live stream IKEA haul. It's coming up in a few days, so you'd want to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Guys, I've been getting comments that I don't blink on my videos, so now I'm overthinking the blinking and I'm doing like, did I blink too? Oh, I actually blink, and I'm sorry for everyone who said that I look robotic. I just edit my videos and cut them so they last a bit shorter and are more interesting. Okay, enough blabbing, let's go to Mars. Let's wake him up. Mars, hey buddy. Tell them to come at our live stream. Will you tell them? Tell them to come in our live stream. Please stay tuned. The live stream will be in a few days. Right, Mars? Mars has been having the allergies and he's been coughing and sneezing non-stop. So you'll have to excuse him this time. See you on the live stream, guys. Bye.